Hello everyone, I'm Joe Hanson from CRP with another Inside the Brands product spotlight. This time for the Rein Automotive range of automatic transmission service kits for the ZF6HP gearbox. This transmission is super popular and is used by a wide range of makes like BMW, as well as Hyundai, Kia, Jaguar, and Land Rover. It's even found in some Aston Martin and Rolls-Royce vehicles. Now, as reliable as this transmission is, it still requires maintenance and service, which is often around the 60,000 mile mark or every 8 years if that mileage threshold has not been reached, which is where our transmission service kits come in. These Rein-branded kits were developed in collaboration with members of the CRP Innovation Council, automotive repair professionals who work on vehicles every day. Thanks to their input, the kits come complete with everything you need to do a proper service: a new transmission pan, pan bolts, filter, gasket, a valve body sealing adapter and sleeves, a harness plug sleeve, and a fill plug seal. When doing a transmission service on the ZF6HP, we recommend using OE fluid or Pennison's OE quality ATF-1 synthetic fluid. More than 1 million vehicles in operation are covered by the Rein transmission service kits, so chances are you'll need one sometime. When you do, I hope you'll choose the Rein option. Have a question about these kits or any other Rein part? Just post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be among the first to learn about new videos like this one. Thanks for watching.